Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leah. He's so cute. He's so cute. Oh my god, thank you so much. You're very welcome. You stay there, my little kitty cat. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen in the whole world. What do you want to name her? Winnie. Winnie, I was thinking more like Winston. Winnie Winston! Okay then. Oh, hello Winnie Winston. Winnie Winston. Winnie Winston, a little kitty cat. Welcome to the family, Winnie Winston. Oh, Winnie Winston's so cute. Oh my god, he's so cute. I love my little kitty cat, my little Winnie Winston. Do you love her? Yeah. I'm going to have an amazing day thanks to you guys. Thanks to your mother. And you. Yeah. The birthday girl is going to spend it in Alton Towers. Yay! Yay! Winnie Winston. Winnie Winston has to stay at home. Got some tash. Got a spotty tash. Sweaty. Yeah, that's what I meant. Spotty. Yeah, and I'm going to be taller from all right. So how old are you today? 12. 12. Hashtag 12. Oh, she's cleaning herself. It's so cute. We will see you when we get to Alton Towers. We are running late as usual. We forgot to take some of Harrison's stuff up to his nana, so we've got to make a stop off and drop them in now. And we are already an hour behind. Who's excited for some rides? Me! No. Who's excited for some rides? Me. Who's excited for some rides? Me. Me. We are finally here at Alton Towers. Towers. Oh, you remember Tower? We finally got here. 2.5 hours. It was an hour and a half. That's what I meant. Not 2 hours. Yeah, but they got this cute little
After I left the tickets at home.
Mum left the tickets at home.
Lost the car keys how many times? 3, 4 times? 3 times.
Lost the car keys 3 times.
And then we had to walk all the way from the carpet spot to this queue. From the carpet spot? Parking spot. We're just in the queue now. The queue's long-ish. Oh, finally, I can't wait to go have some fun. I'm up on the Smiler. I'm going to go on the Smiler and the Incinerary, I think that's what it's called, on number 13. I ain't got a clue.
13.
While Mummy goes to CBBS land.
Mummy goes to CBBS land.
Yes. It's going to be so much fun, yay.
So we have just bumped into some of the fans.
Yeah.
And some of Sarah's fans.
Yeah.
And that is the first time that has ever happened. And that was a bit... Oh. But yeah.
Frogs.
It was nice to meet them anyway.
Yeah.
We are in Mr. Tumble's Sensory Garden. Sensory Garden.
Botany Garden.
Leah was a little bit bored in CBBS land, so she's gone with Daddy. And she is going to go on some rides while I go on these rides with Harvey and Tyler. Yo, Tyler, are you excited?
Yeah!
Yes, are you excited? Oh, that one says run, that one's got a run.
And guys, that almost looks like a fidget spinner.
It does, doesn't it? Who's excited for the treetop adventure ride? Me!
Me!
Is it going to be super fun?
Yes!
Abby. 3 nummies, go! Whee!
The CBeebies bugs are all asleep. But now it's time to wake them up. Get set, go! Remember to stay seated and keep your hands, arms and legs inside the bugmobile.
There's so much to do here at CBeebies Land. Down below is the Something Special sensory garden where you can look for the things in Mr. Tumble's spotty bag. Can you see what's ahead? It's the CBeebies house. Oh no, the bugs are all fast asleep. Shout and clap as loud as you can to wake up the bugs.
Shout and clap.
Well done, everyone. The bugs are wide awake.
Dougie!
On our way.
Look, Dougie over there.
What can you see? I can see all of CBeebies Land. Can you see Upsy Daisy?
Where's
don't we give her
Upsy
away?
Daisy? Oh, here she
Hello,
is!
Upsy Daisy!
Hi, Upsy Daisy!
Come with their friends, Iggle Piggle and Macca.
Postman Pat!
Ah, there's Postman Pat.
I've made a mistake and mixed
Oh,
up
the
all
sheep!
the parcels for Greendale. Would you like to come and join my special delivery service? That would be great. I'll see you later.
Some pictures?
There they are!
What do you think they're painting? What sorts of things do you like to paint? The CBeebies bugs help to look after everything that goes on in CBeebies Land. I
Yeah!
wonder what they'll get up to next.
Go see Dougie! Okay, Leah. Hello, I'm getting in the back and we are on the Postman Pat ride. Boys, where are you taking me? The bumblebees, go!
Are you all sitting down safely? Make sure you stay like that. I've loaded up the parcels. When we need to deliver a parcel,
I am
press the
going to
button
sit
that
and
matches it.
relax and enjoy this ride.
Oh, the bumblebee!
It's busy. What can he use to pull the carriages?
Oh, my bumblebee, go! Nobody's late!
Oh, you boys are doing good with this driving.
Yeah!
Here's Farmer Alton and Thompson Brown. He's counting his livestock. I'm waiting for a very important delivery. Looks like PC Selby has had to close the road.
Oh, we're going through anyway. I'm sorry,
Never
Bill.
mind. You'll just have to take another route.
Yeah.
These parcels must be delivered. Ted Glenn is fixing my special delivery service helicopter. Looks like
Wow.
something to help him finish the job. I wonder what it is.
Oh, he's fixing an helicopter. Cow, it's a
It's art
sheep.
class today at the school. But Leah and Charlie seem to be missing something to paint with. Here's Mrs. Noggins sorting out the Greendale She's just waiting for one last letter.
We've come into a food shop.
Thank you. Another special delivery service
mission
completed.
accomplished.
Mission accomplished.
Yay, guys, we did it. We did it.
Oh no, we didn't.
We are just on the, what's it called? I don't know the name.
River Rapids in it.
River Rapids. We have been waiting for about an hour. We've watched 4 times waiting for this one.
I was too busy to see BB's Land, having so much fun.
I went to the Smiler with no hands. No hand Smiler.
You've been on that, I hadn't even been on that.
Exactly. I thought, no, I'm not going to be tall enough because I thought it was like the 4th thing. It would be the 4th thing. But like, it's like 4'1" height. Then I went on the Annihilator. I think it's called the Annihilator. We went up, straight down, a scream made off.
Called Oblivion.
Oblivion. And Harvey's just are you enjoying that, Harvey? I'm pretty sure that, where are you? Get it. I'm pretty sure that's my drink, that, Harvey. Yeah, so we're just going to get on the River Rapids. We've got white, then we're going on a runaway mine train. I fell backwards. Runaway mine train. And Harvey's just enjoying my drink.
So not Harvey, Daddy and Leah have left us again to go on some more bigger rides. And what we're going on? The choo-choo runaway mine train. Are we excited?
Yeah.
Come on then.
We're back. We're back. 6 hours full of fun.
A full day. I am absolutely exhausted. Look at little Winnie Winston. Oh, Harrison.
Winnie Winston. My Winnie Winston, not Mum's Winnie Winston.
Well, a little Winnie Winston. Harrison, you.
She's poorly.
Just come back and poor little Winnie Winston's got a little gummy eye. Oh no, she's climbing. She's climbing, she's got a gummy eye. It's closed up a bit. Right guys, I went on the Smiler with this one. The first time I have ever been on it, and let me tell you now, I needed to change my underwear by the time I came off of that. It was, I have never experienced anything so scary before, but it was amazing. It was wicked.
She complained that the line was too long. She's like, oh, we might as well just go. This line's really annoying me back's hurting.
I have had a bad back for the past 5 or 6 weeks and it is pain. So to stand up, sitting down, it's pain. I didn't want to be stood up in a queue for half an hour.
That long.
Look how odd my eyes are.
We put the little lifeline band on her.
Oh yeah, she's part of the iFam.
Yeah, but she's my fam.
Little Winnie Winston iFam.
Yeah.
Yay! Hip hip hooray!
Hip hip hooray.
Alright. Oh no.
I'm trying to get the first bite.
That's been better.
This is the best birthday I have ever had. Not only I got a kitten, my nana's headstone has just been put in, and this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. She's finally got a headstone put in. She already has some little flowers in, and she's got a big cross in the middle with some. Yeah, we were taking this home to go put it on her tree. And then she's got some nice pink stones. What? Yeah. She planted the tree in memory for us. To remember her. It's so pretty. It has some like little hands. It's nice and black. Hi guys. I'm going to do a little quick haul of what I got from my birthday. The first thing I got was Winnie Winston, a little cute cat. She's cute. Oh, you just sit there. Sit there, play. Right, so first thing I was gonna do is show you stuff I've got for my room, which is here. I'm gonna show you the stuff that my mum's got me first. First thing my mum got me. It's a bit wet because it's just full of juice. Is this nice like sky, like baby blue colour bed sheet, and I think it's really nice. Like, it's very pretty. And the second thing I got, what is this blanket? It's, I'll show you the best way about it. It's like a lot of little cats and stuff. It's really cute. I also got this. This is what are on this blanket. It's like a little cushion. It's really cute. Oh, I lost you again, Minnie. You're here behind me. She's just climbing up my back. You can see it better on the thing I'm going to show you now. I got the full set. That is the blanket that I've got. The cover. That's the blanket. The cushions there. The cushions there. I've lost it again. Where's the door? She's behind me. 1 second. She's there. Right, so then I went to go spend some of my birthday money in JD. I got this jacket, a night jacket, 25 quid. Then I thought I'm gonna get some trainers. Then I got these trainers. These nice Adidas trainers for 40 quid because I had £60 to spend. So I bought some shoes and they're really nice. I also got some pyjamas, but I can't show them at the moment because they are getting washed downstairs. If you want to see them, go on the Ingham's family vlog and watch one of the newer vlogs. It should be there. I'm deciding which one to get out. I have a Jungle Book one and a Sassy Pineapple one, and I picked the Jungle Book one. So if you want to see that, there'll be just go into the channel. I got this book. It's called Hollow City, Miss Persian's Particular Children. I also got this cushion. I'm colouring it in. I'm halfway finished colouring it in at the moment. And at the back of it, I haven't done it yet, I put my name. I'm going to put all my friends' names on the back of it. So like a little cushion I can remember our friends in school with. I've also got this Dark Diaries 4. Double Dark Diaries. Really cool. I'm on... I've got a little folder page. I've read that much so far. I've got that much left to read. It's a really good book. Winnie Winston's just climbing on my blankets. You always put... Oh my god, she's just pulled like a massive thing out of my thing. You know you're not allowed to pour stuff. I told you like 20 times already. I got this shirt here. This shirt. It's like a little tiger shirt thing. Do you mind? Trying a video. Put that back over there. At the end of this day, I'm going to go do some shout outs. I'm going to do. Find them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shout outs. 5 or 6 shout outs today. So I'm going to show you the stuff that Sarah got me. Oh, before I do that, I also got these fairy lights for my bedroom. I got this other t-shirt too. Mum and Sarah thought it was a nice t-shirt. Got this little crisscross pattern here. I like it. I'm going to move them like this on the camera. She got me this little light shade. It's a really nice colour. I got this little cloth. It's a little ice cream cone scoop thing. A little necklace saying spending happy wishes all tied up in a bow. That's really cute. I got these 2 cushions. Isabel's got the purple or the pink one or other. They're really cute. Oh no, do you mind? You keep climbing up the leg and you keep putting holes in the t-shirt clothing. A little bit because the battery's gonna die. I have this cup saying mermaids have more fun. It's really nice and cute. I like it. I have this duvet. That's what it looks like. There's a purple and blue one. I have a little thing saying Instant Star just has sparkles. This holds my candle thing, which holds my lights. That is really cute and cool and cute. Don't mind, keep climbing up my leg, it's annoying. I have this pale pink duvet or sheet thing. I have this light. I don't think it's working at the moment. Don't know. That is battery's button. Like lights up here around it. Stop it! Right, do you know what? Well, go lay in bed. I had some chocolate that I ate a bit of it. Yeah. I have this little book to put in the corner, just like open it up, put a thing on top of it. I have some pens. And a nice beautiful shirt. And I also got this jacket I'm wearing right now. It says, there's a panel that says cool, roller skates, a melon, 89 hair, and a star. And I have this little basket now. I might put things in. I don't know what I'm going to put in. It's going to be in my room. Oh yeah, I also have this cushion. It's a little nerdy owl, which is very cute. And I just like made a massive mess. It's hard, I just put it all away. I'm now going to be doing the shout outs. Sorry if I've seen them and they're quite a bit ago. We forgot. Right, first one goes to Mel Smith, Chloe Faith, Tamazin France, I think that's what it says, sorry, I'm saying it wrong. Alicia, Holly, I've got some more on my phone, 1 second. Haley Ella, well, that's your Instagram name, Snapchat name. Emily Kendall, Ellie Greenfield, I am the, you already got a shout out, but I'm giving you another one. Kayla Wiseman, thank you everyone who watched our channel and subscribed. I will see you tomorrow. what all my birthdays look like. I have all my little bags and do a bit of stuff there, my little aloes and my stuff there. And a little man present. So yeah, thank you Sarah, Chris, Isabel, Esme, Isla, and my mum, and my brothers, and all 2,128 of you. Thank you so much. I had the best birthday in the whole entire world. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.